finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then
Say hi to the vlog.
Yeah. What's up, vlog? How's it going?
You're so warm and cozy. It's like a personal heater.
That's so cute. You cool me down, so it works.
Good.
It works.
The yin to my yang. I love you. I love you so much.
What are you doing today? What's your day look like?
So today's vlog is this morning I took the car to the Toyota dealership because there was a recall on one of the parts, so they fixed that.
Nice.
And then I came home and you guys saw we had breakfast tacos that Breezy made. And then Bree also got me a matcha lemonade.
It's cute. I love that it's like your thing right now.
Yeah, I like it
It's your
because
vibe.
I don't always like to have so much milk with the lattes, but
It can be a lot.
Bree got a latte, and then I am gonna get planned and organized for the week, but we sold an item on Depop.
Oh yeah.
If you guys are new to the channel, I should have said my name is Megan and this is Bree, my partner, but we sell cool things that we find at thrift stores or stuff that we've previously worn. We put it on Depop, and the link to our shop is always in the description. So we sold a skirt over the weekend, and I'm just gonna get that packaged up and sent
Nice.
out. Yeah.
Oh, I'll go with you if you want. It's when you go drop it off.
Yeah, sure, whatever you want.
I'd like to. It's nice out. It's sunny.
But it's cold.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then I'm gonna work on creating some yoga flows for the week
Nice.
because I post yoga flows Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I'm gonna work on that, and I'm gonna sneeze.
Ooh.
And yeah, I'm just going to do some work and get caught up a little bit.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some work
How's
done
your day
too.
gonna be?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some work done too. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What I've got going on is
Top secret.
Yeah. So we'll let you know when the time comes.
Exactly.
In like
You've been working really
in
hard.
2 weeks or so.
So keep breezy in your thoughts. But yeah, happy Monday. It's a week in my life. And I've been really enjoying these week in my life. So I feel like they give a lot of diversity.
I feel
So
like it's nice, you know
Yeah.
what I mean? It's like to do a daily vlog, I mean, you're
Kinda
not
gets
doing
boring.
something every single second. So it's like
Right.
nice to split it up with
yeah.
the week.
And we get to pick up our pottery this week.
On Wednesday.
Yeah, Bree and I painted pottery. If you follow us on Instagram, it's linked in the description. But we painted pottery on Saturday as a
Cute.
little date. And I'm really excited to
I
see
know.
how they turned out.
I know. I'm so excited.
I finished Verdi by Colleen Hoover.
Peace out, Girl Scout. I'll see you in a second.
I love you.
I love you.
I finally finished the book, and you guys, I thought this book was gonna take me like the majority of the month, and on Saturday night it was getting so good, and I was already like a fourth of the way done, and I was like, okay, at this point, like I have to stay up and finish because I need to know what is happening in this book. But it is so good. It's like the way she writes, you can't tell who is the villain, and I love that. It kept me on my toes. It was like at points my heart was racing from emotion of like, you know, being nervous for the character in some suspenseful moments. And so yeah, I am going to give a full review on this at the end of the month for my April book reviews, but you guys will get this sneak peek. I rated it a 10 out of 10. But the next book I'm reading is Women Talking, I think. And so I'm going to start that tonight. but I definitely want to go back to the library, I think, this week or something, so I can get more of her books, because I really enjoy her writing. But I'm gonna drink my cha-cha matcha and get the Depop item ready. I'll show you guys what we sold. It's this really beautiful, like, purple silk maxi lace skirt. It's so cute. I would have kept it if it fitted me, but it's too long, and when I can't like put it up all the way to my chest, like it just wouldn't work. So I'm excited that someone is gonna enjoy this. But yeah, I'm gonna get this packaged up and sent out. I hope you guys had a good weekend. It was really nice. We spent time with my family on Sunday with the new baby and my other little niece, and it was nice. My mom cooked dinner and we hung out with my dad, and it was just nice. So I hope you guys had a good weekend. It was nice for us. It's supposed to be like in the 70s this week, and I'm happy about that. I think we're gonna spend some time outside this week, so that'll be fun.
You stood there smiling at me. Leave you again. All I want and more is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It's true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song. It is true. If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true. Baby, how I need the loving of you. Will you still love me as I'm getting older and old? And when you are away, I sometimes shivering cold. It is hard to define you, but you're worth more than gold. When everything is told. Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long.
For dinner, we're having kind of a hodgepodge of leftovers. So chicken yesterday my mom made, and cheesy potatoes, and then we had like cabbage and steamy cabbage and tomatoes and stuff, and then I made a kale walnut salad. So kind of just everything but the kitchen sink dish. But it looks delicious. Tuesday, and I just got done filming Yoga Flow. I did a props class, so I used 2 blocks and a strap. And then I wanted to show you guys this cute yoga outfit that my sister got me, these Lululemon Align pants. And I think they're really cute. And then this top I think is from Aerie, but yeah. Hi. Breezy in the house. Breakfast tacos 80s.
Nice.
Ooh, potatoes too.
I know, no cilantro though, they're going bad.
That's okay.
Bummer. Gotta use up the rest of this salsa I made up.
Say hey.
Hi.
You're so cute. So, update on Fonzie is he's not really progressing. So, as you guys saw, I was calling the vet and we're gonna do another set of antibiotics. And if it doesn't work, then we'll have to do diagnostic testing and stuff like that. But
Fingers crossed we don't get to that point.
yeah.
He'll be okay. Maybe it was just like a, you know, antibiotics are so tricky. I feel like.
I don't know. But
Keeping us on our toes.
Yeah. But anyways, I just got dressed. I was wearing these same leggings from earlier, but I just put a long sleeve in a vest. I don't even know if I need a long sleeve. Is it
It's
hot? Okay, maybe I'll change into tea.
61, 62.
We're gonna go for a runny.
I gotta eat.
Better
It's
change
cute.
my shirt then. Okay,
Yeah, I will.
but first we're gonna eat.
Yeah. In attendance. At 9.
Dinner is served. We've got teriyaki salmon. We love this teriyaki sauce from Trader Joe's, but teriyaki salmon, cilantro chicken wontons, rice with crispy shallot, and then we sauteed kale, onion, cabbage, carrot. Yeah, looks delicious. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. Just got done filming a yoga flow for my ladies and our moon cycles, so check that out. Yeah, I'm really happy. Today is Wednesday. It's been so nice this week so far, and I think we're gonna get out, go walk to pick up our pottery, and run a few other errands, but I just wanted to check in and say hi. And if you're ever interested in yoga flows, don't forget to subscribe. They're always linked in the description. I have a playlist on my channel, everything for you guys to take some of my yoga classes. Okay, can I see? Okay, we got the pottery. Should we do a grand reveal? We walked here.
Yeah, let's do it. Alright. Here, we'll do yours first. Ready? Oh,
Wait, is it cute?
oh, it's really cute.
Oh my god, it's cute. Oh, I love it.
It's
And then
so
inside-
cute.
Cute.
Aw.
Let's see yours.
Put this back in there. I wanna. Ooh, the leaves turned out nice. I like it. I love the colors.
Not bad.
Not too shabby, honey.
Cute. I like
Cute.
that I was able to get it over like that.
Mm-hmm.
Cute. Aw. Literally so cute.
It's so nice out
I
today.
know.
We walked here from our house. It's really nice out today, which is good.
The breeze feels good. The sun feels good.
Mm-hmm.
It smells like spring.
Yeah, it's actually kind of like hot.
Yeah. It's
But
good vibes today.
I'm gonna go to the grocery store and we have to go pick up Fonzie's new prescription. But I'm starving, guys. I'm so hungry.
I know. Maybe.
Sweet tea, lemonade, Arnold Palmer. Do you guys like Arnold Palmers? I do. Do you?
I've never had one. What is
Really?
it? What is it? It's tea and lemonade?
Yeah, it's tea and it's a lemonade.
No, I've actually never.
It's really good.
I should.
I'm waiting at the doorstep, finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song. And then you stood there smiling at me, as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away. Leave you again. You are all I want.
Oh, look at him! Look. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little grocery haul. We love these reusable bags from Bagu. I'll have it linked in the description. They do really cute like handbags too, and all sorts of different like really cool prints on reusable bags. So we love that. We went to a natural grocer and then Trader Joe's. I'll show you guys what we got. Also this week we're gonna make spring rolls, veggie spring rolls, and then we're also making a kale Caesar salad with salmon tonight. I'll show you guys the recipe for that later tonight. And we're also meeting up with our friend Danny on Saturday for a picnic. So I got some things to do our charcuterie board for the three of us to have. So yeah. Okay, so we got a baguette to make croutons, mini cucumbers, mini peppers, carrots, tomatoes for salsa, kiwis just to have. This is a kombucha that we really love, elderberry juniper. It's really good. Our favorite little nut mix. It has dark chocolate, cashews, and almonds. And then a thing of Dijon, grapes, blackberries, strawberries, hummus, pickles, chocolate covered pretzels. These are so delicious. And then these crackers are really good. Limes, shallot for tonight, onions, some cheeses for the charcuterie. We like this goat and honey. This is a Gouda, and then cheddar. We got salami for the board, and then bacon for the salad tonight. And for breakfast tacos. Hi, Gigi. We have Brussels sprouts, spring roll wrappers. We got salmon for tonight. Cinnamon, raisin, English muffins, some romaine, cilantro, bell pepper, bunch of avocados. We love these late July chips. And then tacos and peanut butter. That's it. Little snack. What's up, guys? So we're gonna make our kale Caesar specialty salad we love to make with salmon, and I want to show you guys the Caesar dressing recipe because it's really easy, and I like to make it a little bit early before I'm gonna make dinner. It's like 5 o'clock now, and I was just working on the computer for a little while, but this is good because then it will sit in the refrigerator before dinner, so then it like kind of gets all the flavors marinated. So the ingredients are Dijon mustard, oh, that's what I forgot, mayonnaise. We like this avocado oil mayonnaise by Primal Kitchen because it's really basic, clean ingredients. And then if you have lemon, go ahead and use lemon, but we have red wine vinegar. You kind of just want some sort of acid, basically. And then you can use raw garlic or garlic powder, and then onion powder, salt, pepper, and then Parmesan cheese. Just gonna grate some of this. And then in here I just have leftover anchovies. Just buy them like in the little tin, and don't be scared. It doesn't like taste gross or anything really like that. So we put it in a little blender, blend that baby right on up. So yeah, that's the recipe. I kind of just eyeball it, but it's like 1/4 cup of this, like a tablespoon or teaspoon of that, a couple splashes of this, and then for the cheese I do like probably 1/4 cup of that. And then like 2 to 3 anchovies. We have like 2 to 3 left, so I'm gonna use that. And yeah, I think I got it off Pinterest, so if I can remember where I got the recipe, I'll put it in the description for you guys. I forgot to also mention, you're gonna wanna put olive oil in there as well. I kinda just do like, I don't know, like a 1/2 cup or a cup, so basically so it covers all the ingredients. Pop the lid on it. Put her on the blender, and guys, I wanted to show you how cute are these little PJ shorts. I thrifted these and I love them. I think they're like boxer shorts or something, but they're vintage. And I think that they're just like so cute. Don't sleep, no pun intended, but don't sleep on the lounge section of thrift stores. You might find something cute like this. Okay, so I basically mise en placed everything so I could show you guys, but we did romaine and then massaged the kale with olive oil, salt, and pepper. And then we just did some wild-caught salmon with lemon pepper, salt, pepper, garlic in the oven. We made at-home croutons with just a baguette from Trader Joe's. Some bacon bits, shallot, this is basil, walnuts, Brussels sprouts that we put into the oven, or you can do them raw, but we put them in the oven with olive oil, salt, and pepper just for a little bit. And then some cubed Parmesan cheese, and then the dressing, and you just put that baby all together, and it's a chef's kiss. I hope this is inspiring you to maybe make this salad because it's delicious. It's a staple now in our kitchen. So we're gonna eat this and enjoy our evening together.
What's up, guys? Happy Thursday. We just got back from a run. Show you my outfit, maybe if I could. These shorts have like these built-in spandex shorts. They're by Nike. They're so lightweight. It's like so nice to run in. We went for a run down to our favorite coffee shop. The sports bra, I think I got years ago. It's Saucony, a running brand, but got it years ago. It's long enough that it like kind of feels like a crop top. And then this Adidas hat I thrifted. My hair's in a braid with a bunch of hair treatment in it. And I need to wash it anyway. But we ran down and got our favorite, went to our favorite coffee shop. I got a matcha lemonade. You guys already know the drilly. It's been so nice because it's getting hot and it's nice and refreshing. And then Brie got a cold brew, but today's Thursday. We just did some meditation this morning, went on the run and walked home. And then I just have a couple errands to run. Like I have to go fill Fonzie's other prescription. And then I think I'm gonna head to Costco and do some work. I have a yoga flow coming out tonight. You guys saw me film that yesterday for the ladies for your menstrual cycle. So that'll be up today. So kind of a nice productive day to end the week, and Bree's working on her thing, you know. A little surprise. Which I'm doing something for Bree to celebrate. And yeah, I think I'm gonna order a cat treat for the cats because we don't have one. Here comes Breezy. Sorry. No, you're good. And it's getting so nice. I want them to be able to like sit in the window. And I think I'm gonna do that. So hopefully that gets here this weekend so then we can put that baby up. And I'm gonna work on the lawn this weekend. So I think I'm gonna do a weekend vlog because we're gonna do some fun stuff like the picnic with our friend Danny. Bree planned a date for us for Friday. And Sunday I'm teaching a yoga event and hanging out with my sister and the girls after. So I think I'm gonna film a weekend vlog since it seems like there'll be some fun stuff this weekend. So I might end up ending the vlog here today. I feel like I've gotten a lot of content, but we shall see. Breakfast tacos on the menu. We've got potatoes, bacon, eggs, cilantro, onion, and homemade salsa by Chef Breezy. Okay, just made a quick Costco run. Show you guys what I got. I'm gonna start to make matcha lemonades at home. So I got 2 things of lemonade. This was $5.99 for 2 of these. And then you guys know we love the Trader Joe's chicken and cilantro wontons. So they had these on sale. Our avocado oil. I thought these would be a fun treat since it's getting so hot when we work outside in the lawn. There's strawberry lemon, mango, orange, and blueberry pomegranate. Freezer pops. Tofu, because we're gonna make spring rolls tonight. The avocado mayo, since I used the rest of it in the recipe last night. This big jar is $9.99. And when you go get a big jar like this at the grocery store, I'm not even kidding you, it's $17.99. That's not an exaggeration. Espresso beans for Brie. And then we needed butter, garlic powder, parchment, and then I got lawn bags because we're gonna work on the lawn this week and weekend. Yeah, that's it. Okay, excuse how I look right now, but it doesn't matter. I'm just being quiet so that Brie cannot hear me. But it's 4:15. I just got done working for the day, and I wanted to surprise Brie with 2 tickets because Brie's been working really hard at, we'll tell you guys later once everything falls into place. But until that happens, we'll just keep it a secret. But for now, just keep it a secret. But Bree's been working really, really, really hard. And also their birthday's at the end of May. So I kind of wanted to do something fun, and one of their favorite artists is coming to a neighboring
Okay, gonna make some spring rolls. We marinated the tofu. These are the kind of spring roll wrappers we use. I'll show you guys the final product. Brenna. Perfect.
Oh my god, so cute.
Alright, final product. Looks so good. Hi guys, I'm just relaxing. About to read. Just hanging out on the couch. But I want to end this video here because I've gotten a lot of footage and we're gonna do fun things like I said this weekend. So I'm gonna start a weekend vlog. So don't forget to be subscribed to get all the goodies. But hopefully you guys had a great week and I'm so thankful that you're here with me. I love you guys and I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.